In this video I'm going to show you how to call someone who blocked you on iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin, and in that video I'm gonna show you couple different ways how to solve that problem. So the first thing you can try, you can open up your settings and there scroll all the way down until you find phone. And here tap on show my caller ID, and now there you can disable that option, because if that option is disabled your phone call will come up as anonymous call, so you can make call to a person who blocked you. The next thing you can try, you can open up your app store and type in the search box text now, and after that download and install that app. It calls Text Now. So in that app you can get second phone number. It's completely free phone number, and you can use that number for calls and text messages. So you can use that app to call to a person who blocked you on your main number. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.